Yes, I'm here. Yes, got the Chipotle. It's on the table. What's up?
Why do you camera?
Filming the making for our band. All right. All right.
Why do we need
All right. Here's our members. All right. This is our trumpet player. This is our bass player. This is our lead singer and squeaks. This is our pianist. So that's them, and obviously the most important player, myself. I play the cowbell. Alright, did you guys get any writing done?
Liza, that's all wrong. You gotta do something like this.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, right like that. That should work, yeah. Charlie, love you, but that's all wrong. See, you gotta do something like this. You know?
You mean like...
Yes! That was exactly what I was thinking. A little more higher, like that.
Like...
Yes! That's why you're in the band.
How's it going, Brittany?
I do me.
That's sweet. What about your trumpet?
And then the skies opened up to reveal something more than God. I'm not okay, Mom and Dad. You can't fix me. It's not just a phase, and I'll see you in hell.
Awesome.
Charlie, my man. How's that song going? You got some lyrics yet?
Only a few, but...
Let me hear 'em, man.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's good.
This is amazing. You've never listened to me before.
Well, I don't know. I've turned over a new leaf.
Alright, well... what I kind of got is like... It kind of goes like this.
Not bad, dude. That's really, really screamo. I like that. I know it's hard to feel. I don't care at all. Anymore and how you feel. Keep running on. Saying love, nothing enough for way too much. On. I can't make it on my own. I can't make it on my own. 'Cause my heart is in Ohio. Cut my wrist and black my eyes. Cut my wrist and black my eyes. I can't fall asleep tonight and die. Because you kill me. You know you do, you kill me well. You like to do it, I can tell. Never stop until final breath is gone.